Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create a username on WhatsApp step by step. WhatsApp's new username feature allows you to connect with other people without sharing your phone number, giving you more privacy when chatting with new contacts. The feature is being rolled out gradually, so it may not be available on every account yet. Whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, this tutorial will guide you through the entire process of creating your WhatsApp username. By the end of this video, you will learn how to create a WhatsApp username, where to find the username option, how to choose an available username, the rules for creating a WhatsApp username, and what to do if the username feature isn't available yet. So just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it all. And if this video is helpful to you, please do well to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. Now let's get started. The first step you have to take now is to go over to your WhatsApp. So let me tap my WhatsApp app right away. You can see now I've been able now to open up my WhatsApp. So the next step you have to take now is to tap on the three dots at the top right corner. You can see the three dots right there. So let me tap on it. Then what you have to do now is to tap on settings. You can see settings right there. So let me tap on settings. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on your WhatsApp profile image. You can see it right there, or you can tap on any point around that encircled area. So let me tap on it. Then the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see username. You can see it right there. That's the third option. In case you don't find this username right here, what you have to do is to go ahead to update your WhatsApp. If you're not finding this username right there, that means you're using an outdated WhatsApp. So update it so you can be able to see this username option right there. You can go over to your Play Store, your App Store. You'll be able to update your WhatsApp. So let me tap on username right away. Right here is the next step. It says reserve username. Usernames are coming soon. Reserve yours today. Your username will keep your phone number private from people who don't already know you. So those persons who chat you on WhatsApp who you don't know or who doesn't know you, they will not be able to see your phone number. The next one right there, it says you can add a key to control who contacts you by your username. So once you've been able to create your username, you can also control and set who can contact you using that username you created. So not everyone will be able to contact you using your username. So that's how this works, and this is a very high privacy feature. So for you to be able to create your WhatsApp username, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see create username. You can see it down there. So let me tap on it. And in case you want to use your Instagram username or your Facebook username as your WhatsApp username, you can see the two options below the create username. You can see it right there. It says use Instagram username. If you want to use your Instagram username as your WhatsApp username, just tap on it to select it. And also the last one there is use Facebook username. So if you want to use your Facebook username as your WhatsApp username, just go ahead to tap on use Facebook username. That way your usernames across all Meta products will be the same. But I want to create a new username, so let me tap on create username, since this video is about creating a new WhatsApp username. So let me tap on it. Then right here is the next step. It says reserve username. So what you have to do now is to impute the username that you want to use for your WhatsApp. So let me go ahead now to impute my WhatsApp username. So let me type it in. It says right there @ so let me type in mine. You can see I've typed it in. You can see I've typed it in and it's still loading to confirm if this username is available. So let me wait for a few seconds. As you can see here, it is done loading and it says here this username is not available. So what I have to do now is to go ahead now to edit this username, to change the username into something that is unique that no one else has. So let me go ahead now to tweak it. Let me just type in something, and in case you need a suggestion, you can tap on where you can see suggest a username. Then WhatsApp will be able to suggest a username for you. So let me just type in, let me add one to it. Can see now I've added one to it. It is now Phone Mobile 1, and wow guys, you can see it says right there this username is available. You can see I made a little change to the username and you can see now it is available. So what I have to simply do now is to tap on save. So let me go ahead now to tap on save to create my WhatsApp username. So let me tap on save. You can see guys, it's loading up. Wow guys, you can see it says here you're reserved at Phone Mobile 1. It says soon you can share your username instead of your phone number when connecting with someone for the first time. We will let you know when your username is ready to use. So let me go ahead now to tap on done. Let me tap on it real quick. Then here is the next step. It says usernames are coming soon. We will let you know when yours is ready to use. Then it says down there, contact me by username. So this way you can be able to control who can contact you using your username. So you can see right there, what is chosen there is everyone. So anyone who has my username will be able to contact me via WhatsApp. But I can change it. For me to be able to change it, what I have to do now is to tap on where you can see contact me by username. Let me tap on it. Then it says here, who can contact me by username. You can see everyone is chosen, but I can decide to choose the second option, which is people who know my key. You can see it right there. I can decide to tap on it, but I want to leave it at everyone, so that anyone who has my WhatsApp username can be able to contact me. But if you want to make it to be private, you can choose the second one, which is people who know my key. But let me go back. Just go ahead to create your username. You can as well change who can contact you via your username. You can change it at any time, but I just wanted to show you guys. So let me go back now. Wow guys, you can see right there it says reserve username for the mobile one. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to create your WhatsApp username on your mobile device, and I believe this was helpful to you. If it was, please consider liking, subscribing and leaving a comment. See you in the next upload. Bye bye, peace.